Alright, we got to get a fall caged bed put up. So we are going to slide this cedar and cypress lumber over. We're treating it for termites as we go again. Every time I restack it, we retreat it. A little combination of charcoaling it and putting some diatomaceous earth powder on them, and maybe even a little bit of termite spray if in some bad spots. So anyway, we're sliding all that lumber over, and we're going to get a little caged bed put along this section where the lumber currently is. All right, got the wood all cleaned and restacked and scooched over to make room for another raised bed here. And we got that. We just have to finish securing the pieces together with some wire ties. We got a little hog panel trellis and some old barn metal on the back protecting the fence so we don't rot our fence. Sometimes you put wire down on the bottom. It depends what you're going to grow, if you're going to have too many taproots that need to go real deep through that wire or not. I don't have any mold problems here yet, so I'm not putting wire in the bottom. I have one sheet of barn metal underneath that wood to keep termites from burrowing up from the bottom down there underneath of it, but that's it. And repurposing some trellis from a client, and yeah, that'll hold the soil. Once the soil starts breaking up too much, if it starts squeezing out or washing out of there, then we'll stick a smaller piece of fencing around on the inside of the trellis. So